Hello and welcome to our channel NIIR Project Consultancy Services. Are you interested in starting a new manufacturing business in Benin? Or expanding an existing one? Or simply learning more about how to start a business in Benin? Then you have come to the right place and you must watch the complete video with us. NPCS is a well-known technical consultancy that focuses on project reports compilation in this ever-changing market, and we have been following a strict system and procedure to ensure only top quality in accordance with our clients' expectations. NPCS also publishes a monthly magazine, Entrepreneur India, since 1995, which is being widely read by entrepreneurs, businessmen, etc. When you are thinking about where to start your business, you should consider Benin first. Here we provide the reasons why Benin makes an ideal place to start a business, whether you are looking to export or operate locally. First, why to start business in Benin? The basic structure of business here is fairly easy. It has a very friendly atmosphere where foreign investors can do well. In particular, there is a strong recognition for joint ventures and other investment opportunities that include locals. They are constantly seeking more international commerce, while growing programs in place for improved market access for investors. Second, the economy of Benin is thriving and diversified. The economy of Benin has been growing at approximately 5% since 2010, due in part to oil production, especially offshore exploration. The country has many natural resources that includes oil and gas reserves, gold, silver, marble, limestone and granite deposits, and land suitable for farming. These elements make Benin an attractive investment prospect. Third, plenty of opportunities exist. Benin's economy is dominated by subsistence agriculture, with about 3/4 of its people in rural areas. Given its fertile soils and plentiful rainfall, agriculture production is relatively abundant, with small surpluses produced for export. Cattle raising predominates. Other important products are shea nuts, corn or maize, rice, millets, sorghum, cassava or manioc, sweet potatoes, peanuts or groundnuts, sesame seeds and timber. Poultry farming has grown in recent years. Industry is centered on fruit processing plants, soap factories, tanneries and breweries. Fourth, natural resources in Benin. Benin has fertile soil, which makes it a great exporter of agricultural goods such as coffee, cocoa and cotton. Its location in Western Africa also makes it convenient for access to ports, airports and open markets. In addition, its rich natural resources allow for many industrial opportunities. Fifth, take help from Undertaking Assistance Consultancy. NPCS is aimed toward simplifying the system of selecting the correct venture for funding. It makes commercial enterprise choices easier and hassle-free by providing a listing of the right projects for the funding. NPCS is dedicated to the commercial enterprise for identifying sound investment projects. The team of NPCS, before labeling a project as right investment, studies various components of investment like product demand, marketplace capability, raw material availability, and appropriate location, and so forth. NPCS can prepare project reports on any business idea you have. The project report includes all part of the business, from market analysis to confirming the availability of numerous necessities such as equipment and machinery, raw materials, and financial projections. Engineers, project consultants, and industrial consultancy businesses from all over the world have profited from the NPCS project report. NPCS also publishes technical, reference, self-employment and startup publications, a directory, company and industry database, and much more, all of which will be found on the official website. Thank you for watching our video. If you have enjoyed our video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more videos like it. Also, click on the bell icon. Please comment us about this video. Please write to us your suggestions about this video and the topics you want to hear about more. Please visit our website for more information. And you can also reach us at You can follow us on other social media platforms. Links are given below in the description. So see you again. Till then, goodbye.